Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Gmail is not receiving emails, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So go to Gmail and first of all, check the spam folder. Okay, do you see anything in it? If your emails are going there, then you can whitelist them. How would you whitelist them? Just select this and then select not spam. Other than this, go to fast.com and hit the refresh button. Check the internet speed. Is it good enough? And finally, though it's rare for the Google server to be down, but still check for Gmail server status. Okay, go to the dashboard and check the status for Gmail. Actually, there was an exclamation mark a while back where it says service information. So there was a service downtime, but usually it doesn't face issues. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.